morning, students. I'm Gunjan, your EVS teacher from the Wisdom School, Sirsa. We are going to start our online classes. So, our first chapter is My Body. In the previous lecture, we study about number of bones present in a baby and adult person. A baby has, born baby has how many bones, Raze? I already told you 300 bones. And an adult person has how many bones? 206 bones. One thing you have to remember, our backbone, जो रीढ़ की हड्डी है रस, is made up of 33 bones. So our backbone is made up of 33 bones. Already this we have discussed in our previous lecture. So now our next topic is about the joints. So there are two types of joints, Razi. First one is hinge joint and second is ball and socket joint. Ball and socket joint. Okay, Razi? Our bones are attached to the joints. Jaw, like this. You can move your arm. Okay. So here, there is a joint. Okay. Like your shoulder is like a ball. Okay. Ball and arm in this. Okay. So ball and socket joint. So our shoulder is an example of which joint? Ball and socket joint. You can move your hand like this through the joints. Okay, Razi, like this. Okay. So there is a joint and also there is a joint. Okay. I can move like this. Okay. So in our elbow, there is also a joint. So in our elbow, there is a joint that is known as hinge joint. So elbow is an example of hinge joint. Okay, Razi? So another example of a ball and socket joint is your hip also. Okay, Razi? So these are about the joints. Okay, our bones are held together by the joints through which any movement is possible. Okay, you can move your body parts through the joints. Okay, Razi? Now the next topic of our chapter is muscular system. How many muscles we have? You know? Don't know? Okay. Our body has around the 650 muscles. Okay, Razi? So there are two types of muscles. First one is voluntary muscle and second one is involuntary muscle. Like your arm. Okay, you can move when you want. Okay, so these type of muscles present in our arms in our control. Okay, when you want you can move your arms. Okay, when you want you can move your legs. When you want you can walk like this. If you want to stand, you can stand here like this. Okay, so muscles present in our arms, legs are voluntary muscles. Okay, what are voluntary muscles? Those muscles which are in our control, जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है राजी. ओके, तो वो कौन सी मसल्स हैं आपकी? voluntary muscles, like legs, like arms, like fingers. Okay, you can move like this. मूवमेंट कर सकते हो आप अपनी फिंगर्स की. ओके, आप ताली बजा सकते हो. ओके, तो ये आपके कंट्रोल में है. अगर आप बजाना चाहते हो तो बजा सकते हो, क्लैप कर सकते हो इस तरह से. ओके, so those muscles which are in our control, that are voluntary muscles. Okay, now involuntary muscles are those which are not in our control. For example, your eyes, blinking of your eyes like this. You blink your eyes. This is in our control? No. Okay. Suppose you went in a room. Okay. Bright light is there. Suddenly you close your eyes. Okay. जैसे ही ब्राइट लाइट आपकी आंखों पर पड़ती है, आप अपनी आईज को क्या कर लेते हो? क्लोज कर लेते हो. ठीक है, सडनली. तो ये आपके कंट्रोल में है? नहीं है आपके कंट्रोल में. सो ब्लिंकिंग ऑफ आईज नॉट इन आवर कंट्रोल. ओके, सो दीज मसल्स आर involuntary muscles. For example, your stomach. Muscles present in involuntary muscles. Digestion occurs in our stomach. Okay, like heart. You can stop your heartbeat. Tell me. No, हम स्टॉप नहीं कर सकते अपनी हार्ट बीट को. तो वो कौन सी मसल्स हैं आपकी? इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स. ओके, सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ मसल्स राजे. फर्स्ट वन is in our control. Okay, that known as voluntary muscles, and involuntary muscles are those which are not in our control, जो हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है राजे. वो कौन सी मसल्स हैं? इनवॉलेंट्री मसल्स. Okay, so what we have done today about the joints. There are two type of joints, hinge joint and ball and socket joints. And about the muscles, muscular systems, two type of muscles are there, voluntary and involuntary. I hope you got it, students. Thank you.